Welcome to The Explainer. We're about to dive into the secret of building AI that doesn't just work in a lab, but actually survives out in the wilds. And for a minute, let's just forget about all the fancy algorithms, because we're going to talk about the foundation that makes or breaks, well, everything.
So what is this villain we're talking about? It's not some super complex bug or a rogue algorithm. No, it's something way more subtle. Kind of like a silent saboteur that corrupts your AI from the inside out, turning these brilliant models into totally unreliable liabilities.
It really comes down to the oldest rule in the book. Garbage in, garbage out. That multi-million-dollar AI system you have, it's only as good as the data you feed it. And when that data goes bad, oh boy, the consequences can be disastrous.
Just look at these examples. A single missing value can bring your entire system to a grinding halt. A typo in a salary field, that can throw all your predictions into complete chaos. And those slow, creeping changes in your customer base, they can make your model totally useless over time. And look, these aren't just what-ifs. They are the silent killers of AI systems every single day.
So, how do we fight back? Right. Let's meet our first line of defense, the gatekeeper that slams the door shut on bad data before it can cause any harm.
Think of data validation like the bouncer at the world's most exclusive club. It has a super strict dress code, a VIP list, and absolutely no time for nonsense. If your data doesn't have the right format, if it's not in the right range, or if it breaks any of the rules, it's not getting in. Period.
And this isn't just a quick glance at the door either. Oh no, we're talking a full-on interrogation. Schema validation checks its ID, data type checks make sure it's not lying about its age, and range detection flags any suspicious characters. It's a multi-layered fortress, and it's designed specifically to protect your model from all the riffraff.
And here's the really beautiful part. With a tool like Pydantic, you can bake these rules right into your code. So no more separate validation scripts or random checks. You're literally defining the DNA of your data, making it impossible for invalid data to even exist in your system. It's simple, it's elegant, and honestly, it's a total game changer for data quality.
And this is where the magic really happens. In a framework like FastAPI, you just plug in that Pydantic model and bam, you get instant, automatic, real-time data validation. Every single request that comes in gets scrutinized, and any bad data is just unceremoniously shown the door. Your model stays safe and sound, completely shielded from all that chaos.
But our gatekeeper can't catch everything, right? What about those slow, subtle changes that creep in over time? Well, that's where our second hero comes in. The watchful guardian who keeps a vigilant eye on the data after it's already inside the system.
And here's the key difference you gotta remember. Validation is a one-time check at the door. Monitoring, well, that's the 24/7 surveillance system that never, ever sleeps. It's that silent guardian, just watching for those slow, creeping changes that can poison your model from the inside out.
So what are we on the lookout for? Mostly data drift. Those slow, subtle shifts in your data that can turn your star model into a total has-been. Maybe a new marketing campaign brings in an older crowd and suddenly your predictions are way off. Or a new country starts using your app and your model has no idea what to do. Without monitoring, you're just flying blind and your model is headed for a crash landing.
And the best part, you don't have to be a statistician to do this. Tools like Evidently AI do all the heavy lifting for you. With just a few lines of code, you get this beautiful, detailed report that basically screams, hey, pay attention, something's changed. It's like having a data scientist in a box, constantly watching your back.
Okay, so we've got our heroes. Now, let's see them in action. Here's how they team up to create a truly bulletproof MLOps pipeline. So it all begins with the raw, untamed data just flowing in from the real world. We're talking user clicks, sensor readings, financial transactions, a constant stream of information that holds the keys to your business's success. But before this data can wreak any havoc, it runs straight into our gatekeeper, the data validation layer. This is where we put it through the ringer. We check its credentials, we frisk it for outliers, and we make sure it's not carrying any contraband. Any data that doesn't pass the test, it gets kicked to the curb.
Only the squeaky clean, fully vetted data makes it past the gatekeeper and into the inner sanctum, the model's input layer. This is where the magic happens, but it only works with the right ingredients.
But the story doesn't end there. Nope. Now our watchful guardian takes over. The monitoring system isn't just looking at a single snapshot. It's watching the entire movie, frame by frame. It's constantly comparing the present to the past,
looking for any signs of trouble on the horizon.
And here's where we go from being reactive to being proactive. When our guardian spots trouble, it doesn't just raise a little flag, it sounds the alarm. It can ping the data science team, or even better, automatically kick off a retraining job to bring the model right up to speed. This, right here, is MLOps at its finest, a self-healing system that adapts to an ever-changing world.
Okay, but here's the catch. It's incredibly easy to mess this all up. The difference between a robust, reliable system and a ticking time bomb, it often comes down to just a few key decisions. Let's break down the do's and the absolute don'ts. Really, you have two choices. On the left, you've got the path of blissful ignorance. No validation, no monitoring, and just a whole lot of hoping for the best. On the right, you have the path of enlightenment, a system that's constantly learning, adapting, and protecting itself from the inevitable chaos of the real world. So, which path are you going to choose?
So, if you remember one thing from this explainer, let it be this. Validation and monitoring are not optional extras. They are the twin pillars of a reliable AI system. Having one without the other is just a recipe for disaster.
So I'll leave you with this question. Is your AI system built on a real foundation of trust, or is it just a house of cards waiting for the slightest breeze to come crashing down? In the world of AI, you're either a builder or you're a gambler. The choice is yours.